If you had to pick one item to splurge on and one item to save on when it comes to your kitchen renovation, what would they be?
Well, I don't know if you are talking about just a single item in the kitchen. I would say that you would save by not going with a wood hood. Some of the stainless steel hoods are really beautiful and sleek. There's so many different designs, but they still are less expensive than a wood hood to match your cabinetry. Something that I would splurge on are the accessories inside of a cabinet. One of the biggest accessories that we sell are the two-tiered cutlery dividers. They used to only come up to a 24-inch wide cabinet, but now you can get them on larger cabinets where they flip out, they pull forward. Lots of layers of storage in a single drawer that makes that accessory well worth it.